Hello and welcome back to AI Watch Build, and please like and subscribe if you're enjoying learning with us and helping animals on a global level. And today we are going to talk about the most powerful AI tool that you have. Most people think it's these big giant computers. The most powerful AI tool is right in your hand, your phone. I'm going to show you today 5 ways to use your phone to use AI to help you make money, to help you search, and to help you learn. So the first thing I want to show you is use AI as a problem solver. Instead of searching through dozens of websites trying to find the answers, just ask AI directly. Let it compare products. Explain things in simple language in seconds. It's like having a research assistant in your pocket. Use AI Writing Assistant. The second powerful way to use AI on your phone is a writing assistant. We've all had those moments where we stare at our phone trying to figure out how to word something. AI can instantly rewrite your message so it sounds clearer, more professional, more friendly, and it's like having a professional editor helping you communicate better. Use AI to help you save money. Before buying something online, you can ask AI questions like, is this a good deal? Or are there better options for this price? AI can quickly summarize, review, and compare products so you can make smarter decisions before you spend money. AI for improving photos. Now this is a great one for families, for photo junkies, to repair your photos, to make photos. Let me show you this one. AI tools can remove blemishes, enhance lighting, clean up backgrounds, and even help create graphics. Things that used to require professional software now can be done right on your phone in seconds. Use AI for learning anything. AI can explain almost anything in simple language. You can ask it to break down complicated ideas, teach you a new skill, or guide you step by step through something you're trying to figure out. It's like carrying a teacher in your pocket. AI isn't about being in the future anymore. It's here. It's right here. And it's very powerful. And we can start using it today. And the more we start using it every day, the easier it makes life for us and the better it is for us tomorrow. It's going to show you how to solve problems and search for things and how you get things done. It'll be a lot nicer. So please like and subscribe. And if you're enjoying this, catch us on our next video. We're going to find out how they're making money. And one more thing before I go, please support your local animal and rescue centers and adopt if you can. Thank you. We'll see you right here next time on AI Watch Build.